Have you noticed your stamina isn't what it used to be? Do you ever wonder why staying in control during intimacy feels harder with age, even when your desire is still strong? Many men over 55 experience changes in endurance. And while it can feel frustrating, the good news is that your body is still highly trainable. You can rebuild stamina, control, and confidence naturally. The secret? Consistent body-based exercises that strengthen the muscles, nerves, and breath patterns involved in performance. But before you ask, is it really possible after 55? Yes, it absolutely is. Your body responds remarkably well to specific training, and you don't need equipment, medications, or complicated routines. Just simple exercises you can do anywhere. Let's talk about 4 powerful practices that can make a real difference in your endurance, naturally, safely, and discreetly. Have you ever paid attention to the muscle that lifts when you stop your urine mid-flow? Strengthening this pelvic floor muscle is one of the most effective ways to improve control and delay climax. Many men don't realize how vital this muscle becomes as hormones shift with age. A strong pelvic floor supports better blood flow, firmer erections, and longer-lasting performance. The key is slow, steady tightening and relaxing, paired with relaxed breathing. Over time, you'll notice more control, more awareness, and more stamina. Breathing is another hidden factor almost no one talks about. Think about the last time you felt overwhelmed, tense, or rushed. How did your breathing change? Quick, shallow breaths can trigger faster arousal and early climax. Deep, slow breathing does the opposite. It calms your body, slows your heart rate, and increases endurance. When you practice steady diaphragmatic breathing, you train your nervous system to stay relaxed during intimacy. It becomes easier to manage excitement without losing the moment. The breath becomes your anchor, not your enemy. Have you ever tried engaging your core during intimacy? A weak midsection can force other muscles to work overtime, increasing tension and decreasing stamina. Gentle core strengthening exercises improve pelvic stability and help you maintain rhythm and control. A strong core supports better posture, better thrusting mechanics, and greater overall endurance. With consistency, even a few minutes a day can help you perform with more ease and far less exhaustion. Now think about flexibility. Do you ever feel stiff hips, tight lower back muscles, or limited movement? Tightness in these areas can lead to fatigue, discomfort, and difficulty maintaining control. Simple stretching routines that loosen the hip flexors, lower back, and inner thighs can dramatically improve mobility and pleasure. When your hips move freely, your body uses less energy and maintains a smoother, more controlled rhythm. Increased flexibility can also enhance blood flow, which supports healthier sexual function overall. All these exercises share a common purpose: to build awareness, control, and strength in the areas that matter most. But they also reduce stress, one of the biggest contributors to performance issues after 55. When you train your pelvic muscles, practice deep breathing, strengthen your core, and keep your hips flexible, you create a body that responds more calmly, confidently, and powerfully. Imagine going into intimacy without worrying about endurance. Imagine having the ability to slow things down, enjoy the moment, and stay in control. These changes are not overnight, but they are highly achievable with consistent practice. Your body is capable of adapting at any age. So the real question is, are you ready to start training your body for better performance, stamina, and confidence naturally? The choice is entirely in your hands, and the path is simple. Strengthen your pelvic muscles, master your breath, keep your core steady, and make flexibility a daily ritual. Over time, you'll notice not just better performance, but a stronger connection with your body and your partner. Your best years of intimacy can still be ahead if you train for them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.